Thank you, Madam Speaker. We can able to give the response first week on reception from recess. First week on reception.
First week after recess. We resume. That is in order. Next statement by Honorable Shege Njuguna. Is he in the House? Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I rise to request for a statement regarding the disappearance of Mr. Moses Nganga Muhia. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44-2C, I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the disappearance of Mr. Moses Nganga Muhia. Honorable Speaker, Mr. Moses Nganga Muhia of ID number 298-020-51, an employee of Modern Furniture, Luiro Branch, disappeared on 18th November 2024 after Modern Furniture premises caught fire where he was on duty. Honorable Speaker, the family reported the matter to Maybury Police Station via OB number 15/20/12/24. Since then, Honorable Speaker, Mr. Moses Muhia whereabouts remain unknown despite persistent efforts by the family to trace him. In addition, efforts to gather information from the employer and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations have proved futile, as the family is yet to receive any response. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. Honorable Speaker, number one, a report on the status of investigations into the disappearance of Mr. Moses Nganga Muhia of ID number 298-020-51, which was reported to Maybury Police Station under OB number 15/20/21/24. Number two, Honorable Speaker, steps being taken by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations to complete investigations to ensure that Mr. Moses Nganga Muhia is found and reunited with his family. And the third one, Honorable Speaker, actions are being taken to ensure those found culpable are arrested and prosecuted without delay. I thank you, Honorable Speaker, and Honorable Speaker, I yield back.
Honorable Tongoyo, back to you. Back to you.
Madam Speaker, given the seriousness of the matter, considering this is a Kenyan who's gone missing, and I know we are also going for recess, I can able to fast track and get the response in 2 weeks and transmit the same to the member, and maybe later when we resume, able to table the same on the floor.
You should bring it the first week after we resume, but if you happen to have it before, liaise with the member because it's a matter of life and death.